Welcome again to my channel CreativeKSB. We have an image with a dark circle under the eye. If you want to remove these dark circle with patch tool, the image will mash up, it lose its textures and also the intensity of image. Simply we go to layer and press Ctrl J to make a duplicate layer. Then we go to image menu and desaturate it, or simply press Ctrl Shift U. After that we convert our this image into smart filter. Then we go to menu, other, and click on high pass. Here we are creating the texture by set our radius. Will increase or decrease the intensity of radius until the intensity and texture not showed of our eye layer. When you satisfy, hit OK and go to layer and in layer palette click on blend mode it to overlay. Now select background layer and hit on here to create a new blank layer. After that hold down Alt key and click between this and this blank layer, simply like this. Create a clipping mask. After that now go to tools and select brush. Go to brush property and decrease the flow up to 5 to 6%. Then select the blank layer we have created. Simply hold down Alt key and click the sample color you want to apply in these dark circles. Simply click and start to rub like this. Now you can see the result. It's looked absolutely natural eye, no spot, no losing of intensity, no losing of textures. So this is the perfect thing to do in Photoshop by apply these simple commands. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more video on Photoshop tricks and tips, then follow my channel CreativeKSB. Thank you very much from my side. I am Kesar Singh Bist from CreativeKSB. Please like, share and click on bell icon for more videos notification. Thank you so much.